So you may have seen or you may have read that Downloader has been removed, and I wanted to make sure we cover all the aspects for you guys so we understand what is going on, so you guys know what's going on. As you know, Downloader is a big tool which we use for installing applications. It's nothing to do specifically with third-party applications or anything like that. It's used as a web browser on your devices to install applications which in the end are there so you can install it without having to use specific app stores like Google Play Store or Amazon App Store. We use it to use our own Play Stores or our own apps to get what we want. It doesn't matter. It's not third-party related. It's not copyright related. It's so you can install apps that you want on your device. You're not dictated to by other Play Stores or App Stores. You can get the apps you want on your streaming device. But it's been removed, and we're going to show you what we're talking about on that one. So do stay tuned. Before we do that, though, if you can, do remember, if you're brand new here, do remember to hit that subscribe button. We are a huge content creator in the streaming industry. We keep trying to do our best for you to bring you the best stuff online, whether it's free, whether it's updates, whether it's tips, tricks, all on there for you. We got 575,000 subscribers. I would love to get to 600,000 this year. But hey ho, let's get on with the news. So what's going on? Downloader has been removed, but there's a couple of things not to worry about here. It has not been removed from Amazon just yet. So it's not been removed from the Amazon Fire Sticks at the moment. Okay, this is my Fire Stick. You can search Downloader. It's still there to be installed. But what has happened, you will notice, is that it has been removed currently from the Google Play Store. Okay, so Google Play Store is where you would use on your maybe your Nvidia Shield, your Google box or your Android box, your mobile phone. Not that you really need it on your mobile phone. It's been removed from that. Okay, so this is a starting process. This doesn't mean it won't be removed from the Amazon Fire Stick, but I guarantee you it will be back as well. So this is from Elias, who is the developer, and he owns his own website, AFTV News. Great website where you can stay up to date with the news and everything streaming related. He gets a lot of the first tips. So I will link this article underneath if you want to have a read about it. My Downloader app has again been absurdly removed from Google Play due to due to copyright claim from Warner Brothers and Discovery. My Downloader app is once again, here we go, Millennium Copyright Act, DMCA. So from what I've been told, with the insight I've got, it's been removed, and the company updated to me by Tech Doctor UK, it's called MarkScan, representing Warner Brothers. They're a bit like India's version of FACT. As you all know, we've got FACT we have floating around to do takedown notices for a lot of the big companies. MPAA, Motion Pictures Association of America, is another one. They've hit me before in the past. And we have MarkScan, which is another digital intellectual property company who are there to try and save things. But what they don't realise is Downloader is a web browser. It is no different to Google Chrome. It's no different to Firefox or all the other different web browsers you can use. Google Chrome used to have shortcodes. Downloader has a shortcode. You know, it's no difference. But the problem is these delays can take time. So the good news, like I said, is still on your Fire Sticks. And obviously Fire Sticks are there. The bad news is it's off on your Google Play Store. Okay. The problem we've got there is it's going to take time for it to come back. Normally when it goes, it might take up to a month for it to come back. There is other options. So if any of you want a video on how to install the Downloader app back on your Android TV or your Nvidia Shield, comment underneath. Let me know. If any of you want videos on all of that, I can do it for you, okay? I can make it tomorrow. So let me know in the comments for you, okay? I will keep you up to date. So follow me on my Twitter. Make sure you follow AFTV News on their Twitter as well. They will keep you up to date, and we will make sure we will stay on top of this. The more news we can make about it, so the bigger shares we can get on this, the bigger shares we can get on this article, the bigger shares, the more likely we are to get this application back, because we all want Downloader when it comes down to it, okay? We don't have much more news for you, but I'm going to link this underneath for you anyway, to make sure you have all the latest stuff. Okay, quickly before I leave though, if you are interested, quick word from one of our partners. We mention at the end of every video. If you're not interested, now's the time to move on to one of my other videos, but we do have an offer for 81% off on IPVanish, linked underneath. We get a small commission, helps us do what we do, and I hope that helps you out. Brilliant. we're not going to bang on too much about that this time. I just wanted to update you guys on the Downloader app. Hopefully it stays on the Fire Stick, but if you want to know when it goes, or if it does go, we will be the first ones to tell you, okay? So make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you soon.